Hey, what's this microphone doing here? I thought we were gonna be using the new one for, the unboxings and stuff, and this one's just gonna be for the reviews and talk shows and stuff.
We didn't unbox it yet.
Why?
Well, you did make a video for the blue snowball. I thought you wouldn't mind making a video for this one as well.
Well, I guess that's fair enough. So, where is it? Hey, what is up guys, Sid here from Rex Tech, back with another video. And today, well, the first video we're going to be doing, of course, as always, is always going to be an unboxing. But today we're actually going to be unboxing this microphone, actually. You remember how we unboxed this one? Like, for the first time I was super excited to get a microphone. Just like that, I got a new one. Why? Because this is way too big and bulky, and since I travel a lot and I may do like different kinds of videos when I travel, and plus like unboxings, this kind of a setup, it's just a bit too intruding. Now I don't mind this thing, it's actually amazing, its sound quality is great and it's nice and tunable, but it's just too bulky. That's the only drawback I have in this. So just for those cases, I have this, which is a Boya lavalier microphone, a micro Kratwich. I don't know, that must be some other language, but this is actually a lav microphone or lavalier microphone, however you would like to call it. Boya Pro Audio Series. So this is technically supposed to be for the pros, but this is actually really cheap. So you can get this for around, I don't know, around 10 bucks. What's the price of this thing?
It's $13.
13 bucks? Are you serious? 13 bucks? That's actually pretty cheap, although it's a bit expensive than what I actually said it was. But yeah, 10 bucks, 13 bucks, who cares? It's almost the same price. If you wait for a while, maybe you could get it for 10 bucks or so, I don't know. But this thing is that much. Let's actually get directly into the unboxing and see how it sounds. Now, here we go. Oh, cool. This is actually real cool, guys. You're actually getting, wow, this is one big piece. Not bad, actually. I never expected this to be so big, although I don't actually mind it. Hey, silica gel, unbox therapy. Anyway, so this is the mic, and they actually give you a really nice pouch with this thing. It's faux leather, but hey, it's better than nothing. They give you a pouch, guys, just to keep this on with you and travel along with it. So you get a pouch with this and some whoa, for 13 bucks, this is a steal, guys. I never expected so many accessories from this thing. I mean, you got like a wait, that's a battery. Oh, you need batteries to power this thing. I expected it to be of such when it was such a chunky big boy. Other than that, we have collar pin thing, whatever you like to call it. This thing is just used to pin the mic to your collar. That's there. We got a wind filter. Oh wait, what is it? We got a wind filter. That's cool. And we got a 3.5 to quarter inch jack, of course. So you can just plug this thing into this one, and you can hook this up to like any big pro amp amplifier thing. So that's actually cool when smartphones these days don't even have these tiny headphone jacks. Which smartphone's gonna have this? I don't know, but if you have like a pro amp setup for recording audio, like I don't know, a Mix Pre or something, then this might come in handy. But as of now, I don't think so, but nonetheless, I'm gonna keep it in for safety. This thing is a wind filter, maybe if you're shooting outside or something, that's important. And of course the collar piece, and this battery I think is supposed to go somewhere in here, but we'll see to where it actually goes. So other than that, we actually get some real warranty information, so that's cool. If you want, you can check that out, but please make sure you keep your tech safe. Wait, we got one more. We got a user manual. Who needs a user manual? Like, I think you need one. You know, I don't need one. So let's check out the specs actually. So you got a clip-on microphone for smartphones, DSLRs, camcorders, audio recorders, and PC, etc. It's so yeah, you got omnidirectional condenser microphone. So wow, that's actually cool. This tiny thing is omnidirectional. Other than that, you got high quality condenser, which is ideal for video use. I know. Low handling noise. Includes a lapel clip and LR44 battery. This boy over here. And of course, foam windscreen with a 1/4 inch adapter. Well, if you're a really big mic enthusiast, this might be a lot more important than what I'm saying in this video. But other than that, that's all there is to the box. So yeah, you're not gonna need the box for now. Why don't we actually get to testing out how the audio sounds like? So give us a few minutes, we'll set things up. And
one eternity later.
wait, why do I even need to do this? It's like directly connected to the camera. So yeah, that's like one of the plus points of this thing. You don't have to clap in order to sync the audio. It's just like direct audio from the camera. And by the way, how does this sound actually? I don't know, because I don't have my computer right now with me. It's not connected to my computer. It's just recording everything directly off this microphone into the camera. I'm using a wind filter, but wind filter aside, this is how it sounds without the wind filter. This is how it sounds with the wind filter. Well, but other than that, another thing, yes, this is actually made from metal, if anyone was ever wondering. This thing actually has a clip on its own, so I think that's supposed to be clipped onto your pant or belt, because this thing itself has a ton of weight on it, so you don't want it dangling around and hitting other people or hitting the ground, because it could damage the internal components. We actually got a screw-on piece, which if you unscrew, you can access the battery. All that aside, I don't know if this actually sounds good. This is just a microphone unboxing. I don't know how many of you are really excited for these kind of things, but I was pretty excited to unbox this. I mean, I would have unboxed it before, but if it weren't for him, I would have unboxed it before and I couldn't be excited on camera for it. So anyway, that wraps up for this video. Hope you liked it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, check out my previous videos, and I'll see you guys later.